Hello everyone, welcome to part 7 of Laravel 9 series. And in this series, we are creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website. We are doing the multi-authentication. In last video, we have seen that we able to create the vendors and admins table. We able to create the vendor and admin model as well. And in this video, we are going to configure the guards for admins, sub-admins, and vendors, and default auth for users. Okay. So once again, I'm going to tell you that there are admins in the website. There are admins and vendors. We will treat them as admins as well, and there are users. Okay. So for vendors, for admin and vendors, we are going to use the auth guards, and for user we are going to use the default auth. Okay, default auth whatever. Okay, comes with the package. Okay, with the Laravel package. So uh, so now for this one we are going to configure, we are going to update few of the files. Okay, for setting the guard, and also we are going to create the admin middleware as well. And also we are going to protect all the admin routes. So there are two types of route in our website. There are the front routes. Okay, that is for the front website, that is for the website that is displayed to the users. Okay, front route is displayed to the users. Okay, and there are admin routes. Okay, admin routes we are going to protect only the login page is accessible in admin routes. So admin routes is manageable by the admin and vendor. Okay, admin and vendor are going to control the admin routes. Okay, so now see, these admin routes we want to protect from unauthorized access. So dashboard and all other pages, user can't, no one can able to open. Only the login page is accessible. Login page can be opened by anyone, but other pages we are going to protect. Okay, so same thing we will do with the front routes later on. We are going to protect the account and order and other pages that will come after login. Okay, so now we are going to work with the admin routes. Okay, we are going to protect. So we are going to configure, we are going to update some of the files, and we're going to create the admin middleware as well. So first thing is we are going to update this admin model. Okay, so we are going to add, will extend the admin class to authenticable. Okay, so we will do here c has factory. After that we will add one more class here, that is required foundation auth user as authenticatable. Okay, so this one and this. Okay, and also we are going to update here protected $guard equal to admin. These few steps we need to take, follow these steps. Okay, just add the namespace, this add this class, and also add this protected guard equal to admin. Okay, so after this we are going to update the auth.php file. Here see, this file is located under under config. Okay, under config folder. Okay, in video description as well I have explained these steps. I have already given you all these steps. You can follow those steps as well. Okay, so now see, under the guard we are going to add here admin. Okay, here we are going to add the admin in the same way. Add the driver, session provider, Okay, so admin driver session provider admins. Okay, fine. Now we are going to add for providers here also. We will add this for admin. We are going to add here admins. Here also we will add the driver. Eloquent. Okay, add this. Then model. We are going to add here app models. Then we are going to add here admin like this. Okay, so now it's fine. So now we are going to create one middleware file, admin middleware. We are going to add php artisan make middleware admin. Okay, see, middleware file has been created. So now we can open the kernel.php that is located under app http kernel.php. See, there are multiple kernel.php. Open this one, app http kernel.php. Okay, so after opening this one, we need to configure the admin class here. Okay, under we are going to configure this under, I think, route middleware. Where it is? Here it is. Okay, so here we are going to configure our admin class. Okay, admin, this one. Here we are going to add, like we have added for auth, this one. I think we need to add in the same way. We can also copy this one, but write down app http middleware. Okay, then admin will come here, admin class. Okay, so now it seems to be fine. Yeah, here authenticate, here admin will come. So last step is to open the admin middleware file. Now newly created admin middleware file, and here we are going to add the login configuration, like if the user is not logged in, then we will send the user to the login page. Okay, we are going to return the user to the login page, and if there is no auth guard. See, if auth guard is not there, okay, if auth guard is not registered, okay, auth check, we are going to use the auth check, like we used auth check. You know that we used this one a lot in the Laravel e-commerce website. So now we are going to use the auth guard, and for that we need to check the guard here. Okay, guard, admin guard. See, we have registered the guard for the admin, so we are going to check this one. Okay, and see, if this check is failed, then we are going to return the user to the admin login page. Okay, so we will simply send the user to the admin login page like this. Okay, if the auth guard is not there. Okay, otherwise we will open the admin route. So now we are going to check the route, but before that we are going to modify our route file here. We will add now, we are going to add the dashboard inside the admin middleware. Okay, so we are going to add here a route group. Here we are going to add the middleware is admin. We are going to add it like this, admin, and function function. Okay, so we are going to add like this, and inside this we are going to add our admin dashboard route. Okay, so now we are going to open, we will try opening the dashboard. I am going to open the dashboard without logging in, and we'll see if I will try to open the dashboard. Okay, we have not added the auth in our that admin middleware file. We can open here, and we need to add the auth. We are using the auth here, so here we are going to use the auth, use auth. Now we are going to refresh once again and see the admin login page has come. See, if we will try to open the dashboard page directly without logging in, see, it is taking us back to the login page. Now you can't able to open the dashboard. You can see you can't able to open the dashboard page. See, if we will remove this check, then we will able to open the dashboard page. See, I am going to remove this check, or I am going to bring our dashboard outside, like I'm going to bring it outside the auth middleware group that we have just created. Then we can able to open the dashboard. Now we can able to open the dashboard. See, we can able to open the dashboard. See, whatever routes we will bring under middleware, admin middleware, that routes will get protected and we can't open those routes. Okay, so I hope that is very much clear to you. Now I'm going to bring this route inside the admin middleware, and all the routes that will come after admin login. Okay, like the settings, or for modules, for add edit products. Okay, for add edit categories. Okay, for all the modules we are going to add inside this admin middleware. So same thing we are going to follow for the front as well. When we will work on front, we will create one middleware for the front, when we will put all the routes that we want to protect. Okay, that middleware is also not required. We will use the auth for protect. We will check that whether those routes require the user to log in or not. Okay, so now right now we have created this admin middleware for protecting the admin routes. Okay, so now it will not come. Now it will go to login page. See, I'm going to refresh here to open the admin dashboard. See, it will go to the login page of the admin panel. Okay, so in next video we are going to log in. We are going to work on the login functionality for our admin panel, and we'll log into the admin panel and we'll work on the logout functionality as well. We are going to log in with the admin guard. Okay, so to register the admin guard, we are going to log in. If the admin will log in, we are going to check its credentials here in the admin. Okay, so that we are going to do in the next video, so please stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.